Volkswagen Golf. If you want to check out the cabin filter, go to your glove box, open it up, and first thing you're going to need to do is disconnect this damper you have right here on the side right here. What you're going to need to do is push it down and it'll unclick, and then you can disconnect it. Okay, you have it loose like this. Okay, and then you're going to come over here, and these guys right here, there's two of them. Top of the glove box right here, you're going to need to push these guys in or push them up. This will release the glove box and let you drop the glove box. Okay, so push it in, do the other side. The glove box will come down. The cabin filter is located in here. Pull on it. There's this little tab on the side that they give you. You can pull. Give you one here too, but just pull on it. And there's your cabin filter there. This one's pretty dirty. I didn't order a new one, so it looks like I'm gonna have to. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get one. This one's full of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to order one of these when you get your new one. Do is just install it in the reverse order.